Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty brave. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty brave. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave. Filling up drain.
y'all, welcome back to my channel. So before I ended the video, I did want to come through and give my thoughts and opinions on this hair that I was sent from West Kiss Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending me this hair. They sent me out 4 bundles and a frontal of their, I think it's their Brazilian straight. Of course, if I'm lying, I'm gonna put all the correct information down below. I have 3 bundles of 22, 1 bundle of 20, and an 18-inch frontal. If that's wrong too, y'all know all the correct information is down below. I wore this about 2 weeks ago, and then I'm just coming back now to do a video. So yeah, so I've actually been able to wear this hair. Now, the color of this hair, I did dye this hair jet black. I used the watercoloring method to dye it jet black because I didn't feel like painting it on. So that is why the hair is darker. So the hair does not originally come this color. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's the color that I used or if it's the hair, but the hair is extremely silky. It's really silky. It doesn't feel coarse at all. It feels like really silky. And it could be the color that I used, because the color that I used, it was more of a silky jet black versus a matte jet black. Now it does straighten pretty well, but the only issue that I have is with the frontal. Everything is good except for the flyaways. It has a lot of short hairs within the frontal, so I find myself always having to spray it with some got to be spray or use my wax stick to lay the hairs down. And it's not a biggie, but it can get annoying sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Like when it gets hot, you know, you may catch yourself with a flyaway. So, you know, you kind of got to be a little bit cautious with that. That is like my only con for the frontal. Other than that, it was pre-plucked very nicely. It did not take me long to pluck it. It's a nice density. It's just the flyaways. It's a lot, like so many short hairs with it. I don't know, it's just a lot of short hairs. But yeah, y'all, other than that, I don't have any issues with this hair at all. Of course, if you have tried this hair before or have tried any hair from this company and you would like to leave your experience down below for others to see, please do so. My experience may be different from somebody else's, so I would love it if you all could share your thoughts and opinions on this company and or this hair as well. If any of you all have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them on down below for me so I can get to you all as soon as I can. If you do like this video, or if you did like this video, please give me a big old thumbs up so I know. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps me see what you guys would like to watch and what you guys like and don't like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining the family. We are currently at 50K, which is bananas, okay? I am so grateful for every one of you. So grateful. So if you're just coming across my channel and you have not subscribed, definitely join the family. I promise you won't regret it. I would definitely be waiting for you all with open arms. If you want to stay updated on when I do upload, because y'all know how I do, I'll be in and out, definitely hit the bell button to be notified and stay notified of my future uploads. I'm going to get out of here. Oh, somebody was calling me. I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna get out of here. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. But okay, I am gone, y'all. I want to talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye, y'all.